I'm GSCS Rambeau. We'll be conducting a 2000 R1 check. Ensure you verify your card with the 403 proper one prior to conducting this daily R check. So, we'll start. Accomplish maintenance when the following periodicities or situation occurs: 24 hours prior to operation, while in use daily prior to placing equipment in auto start, upon work centers or receipt, and directed by NSWC PD code 331. Adhere to all the notes, warnings, and cautions. Step 1, put on goggles and gloves. Ensure that there are non-vented goggles. I want to stress one of the warnings: use extreme caution while in the vicinity of operating equipment. Ensure splatterproof goggles, which is your non-vented type, and avoid prolonged skin contact. All right. Unlock sample valve, locking device if applicable. We don't have any locking device. Sample connection must be drained of all water and sediment which may collect there before flushing with lube oil. So obtain the lube oil sample, remove sample plug, and apply alcohol. So you drain the length of the lube oil sample line. Open sample valve, allow approximately the amount of the equivalent of the sample connection. Remove cap from sample bottle. Fill sample bottle to neck of bottle without stopping the flow of lube oil. Bottle is filled to the neck. Shut sample line. Cap bottle. Reinstall plug if applicable. No plug is applicable in this situation. And lock. So we'll clean our sample bottle. Remove goggles and gloves. Label your sample bottle. In this case, it's number 1 MRG. Oil type, 2190, today's date, and time sample taken. And deliver sample to EIL in accordance with NSTM 262.